Hello, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to discuss with you the web portal button you might have noticed in our EPOS system. So, if we log ourselves in, this is the button I'm referring to here, web portal. Basically what it is it's basically a portal that shows you everything to do with the statistics within your store or multi-store, which you can access anywhere in the world on your phone, tablet, or what have you. So what we'll do is we'll click on that. You're then presented with this sign in here. Now, if you've signed up for any of our trials of the actual software, this should be normal to you. But obviously, for any other new customers, please contact us first and we can get you migrated and set up on this system. So what I'll do, because I'm already migrated, I will pop in my details in here. And this is the first page you walk into. So obviously this is your dashboard effectively of what's going on between this particular store to start off with. So this is my 6-store one. I've got 2, 3 and then all stores all together as well. So I can literally swap between them to see how they're all doing. So it gives you an overview of how many new customers they've created, how many transactions have gone through, how many physical products have been sold, total income, how much have been refunded, how many sales have gone through as loyalty, how many haven't, and who the best customer is for that particular day. Also gives you a top 5 products that are doing really well as well. You can also change the date and time range via this system as well. So you can literally do it by a week, by a month, and then it changes all the details here, and then do a year as well. So as you can see, it all jumps up and changes. Obviously, it's a year today as well, from today, and you can check through all your stores. So there's a year for my store number 2 and store number 1, and again go through them all, month, etc. Go through them all like so. Obviously, you can click on all stores as well, so it puts them all together, so you can see how many transactions you've done in total for the entire year, what seems to be your best product, how much quantity you physically sold of it. It's cute, cool little sections down here as well. So this is your busiest hours and days of the months, effectively. So this can show you which hour you're most busy at, what day you're most busy at, and what month you're most busy at. You can also pull these out as well, so you can actually see a bit more detail that way as well. So you can physically select certain areas that are of some interest to you. So it tells you how many transactions you've done on those particular days. Same with the months, and obviously same with the hours as well. So obviously can show you there. I can obviously see on this particular store, I am the most busiest between 12 and 3. So we'll narrow that back down. We've got also average transaction income as well from all customers, loyalty customers and non-loyalty customers as well. So you can see how you're doing with that. There's another section down here as well that shows you your multi-store dashboard. So if you've got multiple stores, this gives you a little bit more in-depth information based on how many transactions and products sold, the income per group as well. So obviously how much each store is doing in terms of all loyalty sales, non-loyalty sales. Just basically see how it's breaking down through a year, through a month. So that's quite interesting to see. You got all your statistics down here as well based on that particular store. You can click on obviously multi-store, new customers added. So which stores have added new customers. So you can actually see which stores are performing the best. And also refunds against income as well. So you can see what's going on there as well. See which stores are doing more refunds than others. And that's pretty much it for your multi-store. Obviously, it's just an interesting, more fun way to view your statistics. There's also other sections. For example, there's my license keys as well. You can see all your license keys that are popped up on your actual system itself. So you can obviously see how many keys are actually linked to all of your different locations. You can also give them individual names just to make, if you can basically want to assign different areas so you can understand where they are. You can also purchase more keys as well for this system as well. So you can purchase any more monthly plans or annual plans through this system as well. But again, you still feel free, you can contact our sales line as well. There's a few tutorials based on this particular section itself, so how to set up your store statistics. There will be another video based on that as well, and also how to install the trial software as well, and how to install different sales templates we've done as well. Software, you can actually physically download the trial version of software from here as well. So if you can download it and install it on any Windows-based device. A little template section here as well, which basically shows you all the different templates ready to be installed on your system. Ready-made, completely different variants and widescreens in there, some completely different layouts that are completely different just to make things a little bit more interesting. Or again, you can obviously make your own as well, so you can see certain layouts that have already been pre-populated and pre-done for you, which you can download on the new sales system. So there will be a video based on that as well. This was literally just a quick overview based on this particular area. So the main functionality of it is obviously your dashboard, so you can be able to see some more interesting things. And again, you can log in on your phone as well. It is mobile friendly, and your tablet and what have you. So this way you can just basically just get a better overview of what's going on in your store if you're not in it, or if you're on holiday or anything like that. So quite an interesting way of doing it. So there you have it. I do hope this has been helpful. There'll be more videos coming soon. Make sure to check them out. I'll check you out next time. Bye now.